to show you, I have made almost $17,000 this month, and
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Isaac Crypto channel. And today I've got a really awesome guest here, Jay Spizzle. So he is a meme coin trader, and I've been under the assumption that the meme coin market's been very, very dead. But this man has been able to pull consistent gains from the market. So in today's video, he's gonna be showing us what he's looking at, what he's seeing in the market right now, and even performance-wise, how he's going, and just the overall landscape of things as you are the connoisseur of the meme market. So take it away, Jay Spizzle.
yeah, so I've been trading meme coins now for I guess it's been around 2.5 years. I kind of lose track of time because I do this all day long. But yeah, meme coins are very much alive today. Volume's not at all-time high, but within the last 2 months, volume on meme coins has actually been at all-time high. So there's plenty of money to be made. And there are actually quite a few people. If you have a tested proven strategy, like anything, you can have consistent wins. To this date, I've never had a week where I ended in a loss ever. So definitely still money to be made.
That's very interesting. I think it'd be great if you could show us, what your strategies are, what you're looking at, and how you sort of go about the market.
Okay, so I mainly trade on Padre.gg. I have a full tutorial over on my channel, but this is this month's calendar. So far, we still have tomorrow. And these are my wins every single day that I've had. Currently, I'm up $548 today. I had a day where I made $1,300. One day I even made $5,000. But to show you, I have made almost $17,000 this month, and there was months like the end of last year where for 2 or 3 months in a row I was actually making six figures just about every single month, just under right around 100,000. But even coins like this one, and this is not a shill because tomorrow this will probably be at zero. But this is a coin that I got into just an hour ago. I got in way down here at a 6K market cap, and I have sold into the highs, as you can see up here. Currently up $800. I have trailing stop losses. I have automatic take profits just in case this thing moons and goes up to 200K. And even there was a coin called XPT that I got into a month ago where I actually made around $22,000 on. I know it shows 16,000, but I don't have all my wallets selected, so it only shows 16,000. But this was just from a coin that I had invested $200 in, and that $200 went to 22,000, which was actually my biggest single win on one coin ever. So yeah, meme coins today are still very much so alive.
Very interesting. What would you say for the average person coming into the market? Because obviously you're a very seasoned sailor in this landscape.
Yeah.
Like what sort of advice would you give to them?
Someone asked me this question yesterday in another collab. He said, if you could change one thing differently from when you started, what would that be? And that would have been going with some type of terminal like Padre or Axiom. I highly suggest Padre, just because I would say it's pretty much impossible to come into meme coins and just like trade on Phantom or trade on like a MetaMask wallet, because there's so many bundler wallets and snipers and scams, and basically these platforms give you all the information that you need, because like people say that 99% of meme coins are scams, and they're actually not wrong. 99% of meme coins are literally scams. But when you use a trading tool like Padre, 99% of that 99% of scams are obvious scams and are obvious coins to stay away from. So for me, if I were to tell someone that's new getting into it, I would say spend literally 100 hours of research, watching YouTube videos, learning these tools that are just like a requirement. It's different from when I started. When I first started, we all just literally just used like MetaMask and just went on there and just bought and sold and had no idea what we were buying, and for no reason at all coins were going to $1 billion market cap. But now it's different. We have all these tools. So yeah, that's basically my answer without going on too long of a rant.
Really just like adapt to the times, find an edge. And I mean, the edge is, that in itself is hard. But how do you find an edge? Because the thing is, everyone has a democratized platform like the terminal, right? It's like even like TradingView, everyone has access to the same tools now. But how do you have an edge?
So on terminal, and so for example, we'll use this dog head for example. It shows you how many percent of the supply is bundled, how much the devs hauling, the insider wallets, fresh holdings, and I will say that like if a coin has 31% bundles, that's kind of scary. Something you probably want to stay away from in an insider wallets. An insider wallet is when someone bought and then sent their supply to another wallet to try to hide that they bought it. So for example, sometimes the dev will buy like 30% of the entire supply and then send it to different wallets. Well, it will tell you right here if that happens, it will be like if the dev does that with 30%, it'll say 30% insider. And the only reason why I bought this coin is because this was an anticipated launch that was dropping, and because I use Padre, I'm just simply faster than everyone else that was trying to get in, and I bought underneath the bundles before everyone else got in with the bundles and insider wallets.
Yeah, right. Cool. Interesting. So yeah, I guess there's different ways to skin the cat for this one. You know, there's watching live streams, there's literally staring at like the as the new coins get released, or being really quick to find like scams and stuff. So, but yeah, I mean, if you're into that, then definitely sign up to those links. I mean, you got a bunch of those, don't you?
Yeah, and like I said, I actually have a full tutorial that's like 20 minutes long where I go through all of this in detail. It's kind of hard to explain it like all on one video. It's like it's like an interview type, but I do have like a full like walkthrough a tutorial video for basically if someone had never traded a meme coin in their life, I walk them through basically how to do it and how to find those 99% of obvious scams and then look for that 1% that may be legit.
All right. Well, really enjoyed filming this with you today, and I think there's a lot of different insights. Oh, by the way, anything to say about BTCC?
Shout out to BTCC. I know you guys, your audience loves leverage trading, so if you guys want to pick up some leverage trading, BTCC.
Not too much leverage, but yeah, a little bit.
Yeah. Hey, you guys trade Bitcoin and stuff. It's all the same thing, right?
Bitcoin.
I'm a degen, so like I don't trade Bitcoin and crypto and the bigger caps.
I stick to what I know, you know.
Hey, yeah, if it works,
I feel like every time I try to chop things up, it always goes bad. So I'm like, I just stick to what I know at this point.
Hey, if it works, it works.
That's it. Anyway, thank you everyone for watching. We'll probably have Jay in another video in the future. We'll see what happens to the meme coin market. Even updates on Bitcoin too. I think you still track that too on the side. Anyway, great having you on today, and thank you.
Yeah, and watch Isaac's video on my channel where he goes over Bitcoin and where he thinks it's going next.
All right, guys, catch you next time, and for now, have a great day.